We deployed to the Highlands to respond to the needs of over 200,000 people affected by the earthquake and discovered a whole world that we were not aware of. But most of the things that we found on the ground were things that were there before the earthquake. So based on the principle of leaving no one behind, that we decided to stay and develop a longer-term program. And the good news is that out of a tragedy we can make an opportunity, and we are now here.
The challenges is fully making transition from what was just ensuring that people were given the care they need at the time they were affected into mobilizing for permanent reconstruction and ensuring that, for instance, the classrooms are functioning, kids are back in classroom, and other infrastructures are up to speed.
We give all those things, all these things to the mother. They even don't come with soaps.
Development and big plus something blow. Mi plana big plus something blow. Beginning blow mi plano future. 5,000 bagarabim. Future blow mi na. Future blow beginning.
Blow mi and 5 bagarab. Mi kalau full time. Mi kababim loyal. Kuala do. Mi lagi na mista.
Yubla making more sense. Bilan tinggi mikan.
They are the leaders of each church denomination, like Catholic, Wesleyan, CBC, Baptist.
It's now without weapons, without post knife. So that's a sign that I don't want to fight.
Leader in fight, now he has to be a leader in peace.
We are the future.